What's up everybody? Welcome back. In this video, we're going to be teaching you how to find your second ruin for the Druid in Season of Discovery for World of Warcraft Classic. So as you're wandering around the plains of Mulgor, you may notice these prairie flowers sticking out of the ground. They look similar to a flower that you might find for herbalism. However, any Druid can pick these up. You don't have to have herbalism as a profession. You pick it up and the text will tell you, combine 3 prairie flowers to make a crown. Now these aren't very difficult to find. You'll probably come across them while you're doing your quest, so no need to go out of your way looking for them. However, if you just can't wait, I'm sure you can wander around and find them very quickly. So once you've collected 3 prairie flowers, you're going to open your inventory and right click on them, and these will turn your prairie flowers into a prairie crown. So what do you do with the prairie crown? Well, that is something I discovered a bit later. I was level 6 at the time I made my crown, and I would be level 8 before I would discover what to do with this crown. I had just completed questing in the Aeternum dig site on the western end of Mulgor and was heading back to Bloodhoof Village when I came across a wooden effigy. The location on the map is about halfway between the road and the Aeternum dig site. So you'll use the prairie crown on the wooden effigy, and then you'll be attacked by an unleashed nature spirit. It was a very easy battle at level 8. I'm sure you could still complete it at level 6 or maybe even level 5. When you defeat the nature spirit, it will drop a rune of natural potential. Fortunately, this one is far less tricky to figure out how to use. Just open your inventory and right click on the rune to learn it. This will give you Living Seed. You should be able to find it right there on your character sheet with your runes, right next to your Fury of Stormrage. Now unfortunately, this is another chest rune, so you will have to pick between this one or your Fury of Stormrage. Do you want to keep spamming Wrath, or do you want some healing power? Because the Living Seed will give you a proc that when you critically heal your target with any healing spell, which will heal your target for an additional 30% the next time they're hit. Not bad. It might be useful if you plan on healing some group content, but I think for now, I'm going to keep spamming my Wrath. Once again, if you like this video, drop a like, or leave a comment if you have any questions, or if you just want to say moo. And if you need something to listen to while you're wandering the plains of Mulgor looking for your prairie flowers, you might want to check out my channel, where I talk about popular rock albums from bands like Nirvana, Metallica, or System of a Down. 10 fun facts about each album. And I try to edit some lame jokes and memes throughout the video to illustrate the points and provide some humor along the way. This is MANBEARCOW signing out, saying thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.